Hello people of the world, I'm Mr. G and you want to know more about the third-party add-ons I described in my previous video and how you can use them to watch movies, TV and all that stuff. Let's get going, let's find out how. Let's go into system and the file manager, and over here you need to add this and this and this, or maybe just this. I already have my sources set up here, but I'm just going to show you the very first one, the fusion, how to do it. You go like this, what I just did, and you type this address here, fusion.tvaddons.ag. You give a name over here. It's I have a fusion, so I'll do let's say this fusion. Done, and now we have fusion on the list. You see, it's here. And about the other ones, I already showed you fusion is this one. I named it TV add-ons, but let's see what's the. You do the same thing as before, but you put this in. You put this address here. You give it a name. Okay, that's that. You for the total XBMC. I press the letter C or right click to go and edit. If you already have it there, you can edit your sources. This address here for total xbmc.tv, yeah, give it a name, and the TV add-ons, as I just said, I showed you how to do it. Fusion TV add-ons, yes, this, and the Xfinity. Yes, here you are. Once you are done with that, you go home and you go system, you go add-ons and install from zip file. And what we just did, we created sources that exist in the internet, and we can go to the source we created and we can start here. This is the Fusion repositories, and here it is, the hub wizard. I have videos describing this, previous videos. We press on that and wait for that to download, and when it downloads I can find it here, programs, config wizard. We run that for the system we have, in our case is Windows. Yes, and it will download all the stuff it needs, and it will configure everything, all the default settings for the Fusion. Now that we have it, we can see that it's already installed. I changed the background, TV add-ons wizard edition, you see, and now it added this here on my videos add-ons, and I have all these add-ons, Genesis. And now what you can do is go back into system and add-ons, and there, let's go back, start from zip file and go in Fusion, and we can go over here if you like, and you can install the different add-ons separately. Like here is the Lambda repositories. You can, if you don't want to use the, or for some reason it doesn't work, sometimes you could have trouble using the wizard, so you can individually install the repos here, or you could go and try this and start here. Don't use the hub wizard, just go here and plug in program add-on installer. You press on that, you wait for it to download, and that will give you this. If I go back programs, I'm going to see the add-on installer, and I can search an add-on I would like to install from here, like let's say the P2P, to use, so you'll be able to watch from torrent sites, which is something I don't recommend. Or you could use another source like the super repo I showed you before, which you can find when you go back here, install from zip file, and you get this source we put there, super repo, and we're working on Kodi Helix. Here you are, you can go here, you see all, and repository super repo Helix all, and what it will do, it will install a whole bunch of repositories situated within the super repo repository, if you get what I mean. Once you give it some time and it downloads everything from the super repository, if you go into system and if you go into add-ons and you go into, let's go back, go into add-ons, then you go into get add-ons, and over here you will be able to see this super repo all, and you can go there and install what kind of add-ons you want, like video add-ons or program add-ons or picture add-ons. Let's go into video add-ons, which is the most popular choice, and you can install anything you like from there. How you install everything from there? You install by just clicking on something. Let's just say I want to install this classic cinema. I press on that and I press install. I wait for it to download and it will be enabled. That's it. And you can search and find a massive amount of add-ons here for everything. The same goes with the other ones, with the Xfinity, the Total. You can go and browse the list and decide what you want to download yourself. If you want to go and find out more, you can go and check all these add-ons. There is plenty of add-ons. Maybe you are more into music, you can check the music add-ons. So now that we are done with that, let's find out how I can have kind of, you know, like the TV, you have the channels and you can select the channels, kind of something like that. If you go into system, we can see here that it tells us that there is this live TV. And I can go here in general and enable this. And now it tells us the PVR manager has been enabled without any enabled PVR add-ons. And I press OK here, and you can go and select this PVR IPTV simple client, and you can enable it from here. And what is this? Let's just configure this, right? And you can have a remote location, or you can have a local location where you put a small file that has a list of sources, a list of stream sources, stream links. And each stream will be a channel, you know, a stream. Let's say I have a stream for Discovery Channel, let's say. There are streams out there, but believe me, they are not from the Discovery Channel. There are streams out there from pirates. So have in mind, these streams will disappear, will work sometimes, won't work. It's piracy, and in piracy, one day it's there, another day it's not, or the quality is bad, or the quality is good, but then goes kaboom. So I'm just saying, with piracy, that's what we have. Even the mighty Pirate Bay has bid us farewell now. So this is something you have to have in mind, that by using these things, don't expect that you will have top-notch quality. Maybe sometimes you will they will surprise you, but I mean, you'll have streaming issues, you'll have issues connecting, issues with geolocation, all these things. Anyhow, let me just show you where to find the M3U playlist. The M3U playlist, you can find it in the description of this video and my previous videos about IPTV. And the page, let me just paste it. It's this one. What I will urge you to do is go here, put this into the browser, download the file, download it to have it there locally. Okay, once you download this file, you can let me open it for you, so you show in folder. Let me open it. This file you can open with text editor, like I have Notepad++, and just to show you what's inside this file. I don't know if you can see, but this is how it looks like, and every line like this it's a link to a stream on the internet. This is a stream. Let's copy this just to show you, and if you have VLC, it will will play it. This is a stream and into the
Θα συμφωνήσουμε με τον Σταύρο Θοδωράκη.
and this plays here. This is a Greek broadcast of antenna 1. So yes, so if you have this, you save it locally, okay, at some place you won't forget, like let's say into my documents folder. Now you go, let's go back into Kodi and say and inform the add-on that our path is local. I have it on my own computer. But my path is local. I have it on my own computer, and let's put the path. I put it into C users gallon downloads. There you are. This is the file, and let's press OK. And once I do that, let's go out, exit XPMC, Kodi, and go back again, Kodi. There you are. It will tell you this is a bug in the system. I don't know why it does that, but what we need to do is go back and enable it once more. And now the channels are there. And as you can see, it gave me the message that I now have 1,364 channels, and this appeared on my list on my radio and TV. You remember those links? There weren't just links for TV, for streaming video, but also for radio. So if I go here and I press, let's say on this one, I'm going to connect to a stream playing audio, radio station. And if I go on TV and I press here, I'm going to connect to a stream playing video, you see? And I have plenty of channels to find out if they work or not. I repeat, some of them will work, some of them won't work, some of them you're going to find that they are pretty decent, some of them are unwatchable. It's piracy, people, deal with it. So that's that. We have our TV channels, our radio channels, and we also have these cool plugins. The Genesis, my favorite. You can go here and just search for a movie. Let's search for a Christmas movie. Let's write Christmas. Merry Christmas. And here you are, the Christmas Vacation. Let's press on that. And you select the source. Here there is also HD sources, high definition sources. You see the HD? I'm going to go with standard definition just to be sure it will load quicker and with no hassle. So that's that. You see the snowman's waving goodbye. If you want to know more, you can go and check the internet. If you go tvaddons.ag, remember this is the link. They have a site here. They're giving you more information if you want to go deeper. There is only so much I can cover here, so if you want to know more, you can go into this page, www.tvaddons.ag, and find out more about the TV add-ons, the Fusion repositories. Yep, that's that. Thanks for watching. I'm Mr. G. See you next time. Bye.